30,000 trees planted in the natural reserve of Guala in Peru's Amazon basin to offset the emissions of 6,000 tons of CO2 generated by the production of 500 million Guala closures, wine closures. This is the outcome of the reforestation project funded by the Guala Closures Group in 2012. It was carried out by the Association Biodiversité Amazonienne and Up to Green, with the support of local populations and endorsed by the certification body EcoCert Environnement.
J'ai fait une demande au gouvernement pour une concession de conservation. Je l'ai obtenue en 2006. C'est une concession qui fait 40 000 hectares de forêts tropicales humides, riches en faune et en faune sauvage. Et donc nous travaillons dans cette concession avec 2 communautés de l'intérieur et 3 de l'extérieur, ce qui fait en total à peu près de 3 000 personnes. Nous avons des programmes de reforestation et un programme scientifique. Et aussi, il y a des programmes sociaux et les communautés s'attendent beaucoup de nous pour pouvoir les... en fait, comme ce sont des communautés qui sont oubliées du gouvernement péruvien, ils voient en nous beaucoup d'espoir.
The Guala Reserve is a unique area of the Amazon forest, characterized by a fluvial system that encourages a wide variety of different vegetation and the presence of rare species of animals. For the populations of this area, the only resource that enables them to survive is the forest, where they can find food, lodging, and a way to earn a little income through the sale of timber. However, the needs of these people are contributing to the degradation of the reserve's biodiversity, exposed to risk by the system of migration of the local community, which leave an area once they have deforested, triggering a process of desertification. The reforestation project took place between 6th of May and 22nd of October 2012. The operation was launched with a series of meetings with local communities, identifying families interested in cultivation, and the formation of 2 teams of supervisors. Each participant was assigned a seed plot, with seeds contained in bags of soil, which were then left for 3 to 4 months. This method enables the development and the growth of the plants in their initial and most critical stage to be controlled. Planting was then organized in such a way that the different species were alternated to encourage diversity in the reforestation. The 32 species used were chosen because they are able to survive flooding, with the exception of the cacao plants and orange trees, which were positioned on higher ground not exposed to the risk of flooding. The majority of the plants were fruit trees, which represent a great benefit for the wild fauna in these areas, as well as maintaining biodiversity. To create a sort of natural boundary around the perimeter of the reserve, 7,634 grafts of different species were planted. The reforestation project has been important in environmental, social, and economic terms. Before the project was launched, the majority of the local communities had never heard of reforestation. Therefore, at the beginning, the people were skeptical, but changed their minds when the project started to take shape, and above all, when they started to be paid for the work they had done. Now, these families look after their own plantations and are already looking forward to the income that they will make by selling their produce. From an environmental perspective, the biodiversity has been renewed. More animals have made their habitat here. The project has attracted the attention of the faculty of the University of the Amazon, which will conduct the scientific monitoring of the plantations. Instead, the Association Biodiversité Amazonienne and Up to Green are involved in helping the local communities to find markets for their agricultural products.